Hello guys, how you doing? You're welcome to Tech Solutions with Tom, and I want to welcome all our returning subscribers. Thank you for being part of this family, and also if today is your first time you're seeing this video, I want to say you're welcome. Also, make sure that you click on the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a video like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Alright, without wasting much of our time, today I'm going to be showing us one of the AI tools I've been using lately, and we're going to be making use of Google Chrome to access this AI. Alright, as you all know that AI is taking over the space. Okay, so we can also leverage on that. We've heard about different ones like ChatGPT. I have it here on my screen. So but the one we're going to be looking at today, I don't want this video to be too long, is called perplexity.ai. So perplexity.ai, it's one of the AI websites that gives accurate answers, and then it is very precise. You don't need to go through a lot of information before you can get what you're looking for. It's just like it's not like Google, where you ask a question and you have plenty links to check out. But Perplexity is very concise. It's very straightforward, and I used to advise, if you want to use Perplexity, you can turn on the Copilot. Okay, I'm going to turn on the Copilot. Let me continue with my Gmail. Let me sign in with my Gmail. Sign in with my Gmail. Go back. Alright, so I'm gonna on it, yeah. And then I want to focus on what should we focus on? Let's focus on YouTube because we are making use of YouTube. Okay, let's just look for something like how to use AI for research work. Let me click. So you see, the Copilot is going to ask you, what field of research are you interested in? Okay, so I'm interested in computer science. Okay, it's searching YouTube now. Whoa, as you can see, we have sources. You can see this AI for code and science. You can see tips. You can see this, and we have the answers here. I love this. So, and there are videos that you can watch. You can watch this, watch a whole lot of them. Okay, look at wow, this is wow. I really love this. So if I click on any of this, it should take me to YouTube.
Computer science engineering in the age of artificial intelligence, trends and opportunities in 2023.
Whoa, so this is making sense. Please don't sleep on this. Try and make use of these websites, you are not going to regret it. All right, I think that is all that I have for you guys. And until next time, please make sure that you subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. For videos like this, keep your hands crossed, your fingers crossed rather. And I want to say bye.